she's gonna get Sully, is she? Oh no. She's just giving him a pat. Like, Mummy said, how do you like them? Oh, here they come, here they come.
Snorty pants. Come on. They're friends. They're friends. Good boy, come with me. I've met Daisy before. Oh. Solly's face gets Solly. What's that then? That's Daisy. I met Daisy before. Come on then. Come and see them. Meet Leo. Come and meet Leo. Leo's the wee one in the middle. Look, you're going to jump them tomorrow or even tonight. Look, Solly, you're looking intruding. Kisses. Wait, say hi to Leo. Look, Solly. Tegan, come on. Come on.
Like, you know? He's like, oh yeah, like you.
Roxy.
Wait, who else?
Good girl.
Oh, Roxy's coming, Roxy's coming. Oh, nice shot, Roxy. Right, I'm going to go grab her against the wall. Run back again. Hey, Rox.
Roxy, come on. Come and meet your new friend.
Oh, good girl.
Come on. Come on. Good girlie. Come on, come on, Lily.
Good girl.
Roxy, come on.
Oh, girl. Oh, no.